The universe is staggeringly vast, so vast that our minds struggle to truly comprehend it. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, and around many of those stars are planets, perhaps even Earth-like ones. With numbers so enormous, it seems inevitable that life must exist somewhere out there. And yet, there's silence. No signals, no spaceships, no signs of civilizations anywhere. Why? This question is at the heart of the Great Filter, a concept that seeks to explain why we haven't yet encountered intelligent life in the universe. To understand it, we must first acknowledge just how improbable life as we know it really is. From the formation of the first self-replicating molecules to the rise of intelligent technological civilizations, the path to becoming what we are today is filled with challenges. Challenges so monumental that most life may never make it. The Great Filter refers to one or more of these challenges, acting like a nearly insurmountable wall that prevents life from reaching the stage of advanced civilization, capable of interstellar communication. But where does this filter lie? Is it behind us, or is it still ahead? If the Great Filter is behind us, that would mean humanity has already passed through the most difficult steps of development. Perhaps the leap from non-living matter to living organisms is incredibly rare. The jump from simple, single-celled life to complex multicellular life might be even rarer. And what about intelligence? While life on Earth has existed for billions of years, humans, a species capable of building civilizations, have only been here for a tiny fraction of that time. Maybe intelligence isn't just rare, but an almost miraculous outcome. This would be good news. If we've already passed through the hardest parts, it might mean we're among the very few lucky civilizations to ever make it this far. But then there's the darker possibility. What if the Great Filter lies ahead of us? What if the reason we don't see other civilizations is because they almost always destroy themselves before they can explore the stars? Think about it. Every technological civilization likely reaches a point where their advancements become a double-edged sword. Nuclear weapons, climate change, pandemics, artificial intelligence, all these tools can help us, but they also have the power to destroy us. If self-destruction is the norm, it could explain the eerie silence we hear from the cosmos. And then there are external dangers, cosmic events like supernovae, gamma-ray bursts, or asteroid impacts that could obliterate entire civilizations before they even get a chance to thrive. Or maybe the universe itself is inherently hostile, filled with challenges we haven't yet discovered. There's also the possibility that the Great Filter isn't about destruction at all. What if civilizations simply lose interest in exploration? Advanced civilizations might turn inward, creating virtual worlds or technologies that keep them so occupied they never feel the need to reach out. Or maybe the methods they use to communicate are so advanced that we wouldn't even recognize them as signals. Perhaps they're using forms of energy or dimensions of physics we haven't yet uncovered. And let's not forget, maybe the Great Filter isn't about failure, but timing. The universe has existed for 13.8 billion years, while humans have only been around for 200,000. What if intelligent civilizations only emerge every few billion years and their lifespans are brief? It's entirely possible that other civilizations have come and gone long before we ever existed, or that others will rise long after we're gone. Then there's the Fermi paradox, the unsettling contradiction between the high probability of intelligent life and the complete lack of evidence for it. If life is so likely, where is everyone? Are they avoiding us on purpose, like cosmic hermits? Are they hiding because they've learned that being noticed by the wrong species can lead to disaster? Or are we simply not worth contacting, like ants on the side of a road? The Great Filter forces us to ask hard questions about ourselves and our future. If we're alone, it means our existence is incredibly rare and precious. It means we have a responsibility to preserve life on this planet because it might be one of the only places where life exists at all. On the other hand, if the Great Filter is still ahead of us, it's a warning, a challenge to humanity to tread carefully, to make choices that ensure our survival. Ultimately, the Great Filter reminds us of the fragility of life and the importance of the decisions we make as a species. It encourages us to reflect on our place in the cosmos and to cherish the brief, miraculous window of time we've been given. Whether we are alone in the universe or one of many civilizations separated by unimaginable distances and obstacles, one thing is certain. The search for intelligent life isn't just about finding aliens. It's about understanding ourselves, our future, and our place in the vast, silent expanse of space.